Hello children, today I am starting lesson. Unit first. Let's see the name. Personality development. That is the name of unit. Personality means quality or fact of being a person or a distinctive character. Development means bringing out the latent possibility or hidden qualities. This unit contain 3 lessons, 3 readings: A reading, B reading, C reading. A reading, attitude is altitude. B reading, every successful story is also a story of great failures. And third, C reading, I will do it. Now this is called first, this picture is called the style sheet. It is called the style sheet. Style, S-T-Y-L-E, style, S-H-E-E-T, style sheet. Now my first question is this: what do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? I would say I can see a pencil, a happy boy, and some alphabets and some numbers. Right? That only you can see this picture now. Now next question is this: what message do you get from this picture? What message you can get from this picture? Okay. Otherwise, first this, what is the picture is about? First, picture is about if you want, you can achieve what you want to achieve in life with the help of pen or pencil and these alphabets and number. Okay. Now what is the message of this picture? If you have hard working, strong willpower, means burning desire, courage, positive thinking, and honesty, commitment, mainly strong willpower, then you get success in your life with the help of education. Okay, right? Now you draw this. First, leave two pages in your classwork and you start drawing this. First, you just write the unit name. After that, this A reading, B reading and C reading. And after this, make a box and draw this picture and give the name the style sheet. Okay, hello student. This page is the second page of first unit, personality development. This page is called face sheet. Face sheet. F-A-C-E, face, S-H-E-E-T, sheet. Okay, this page name is face sheet. Now this face sheet having 2 questions. What quality have made this person great? What quality had made this person great? They are hardworking, burning desire, strong willpower, dedication, disciplined, and courage. Commitment made them success in their life. Now second one, what quality do you think a person required to become successful? Only great quality can make a person great and successful. Quality like determination, discipline, dedication, courage, faith, positive thinking, burning desire, commitment, responsibility, and hard working. Good character can make a person highly successful. They play a vital and significant role in the everybody's success. Okay, these two answers, questions over. Now, this picture is Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran begins, actually, she belongs to the field of Bharatnatyam. When she was very young, she lost her right leg in a car accident, unfortunately. But she did not lose her heart. With the help of an artificial limb, she came to the field of Bharatnatyam and got success. Right? Later, she became a successful film and television actress. Now also she is working. Now this picture is Stephen Hawking. Hawking has been a great scientist in physics. Actually, when he was 21 years old, he contracted a disease with one disease that name motor neuron. The disease was there, motor neuron, and doctor told him he would live only 2 years, but he had lived nearly 50 years, and he did lot of research in the field of physics. His researches in physics helped the world in many ways. Okay, next one. Helen Keller. Helen Keller was born in Alabama, and when she was only 19th month, not years actually, sorry, 19 months old, she contracted a fever that left her blind and deaf. But she overcame the adversity, means difficulty of being blind and deaf, and she devoted her life to helping others. Okay, now after style sheet in second paper, take in note in this page, that page only, okay, and after that you write that personality development and leave some place for these pictures. You can take this picture in small size. Note now, after this disease will over, just leave place and start writing these two questions. Don't go outside, okay, don't take Xerox now. You do this work afterwards when this disease will be over. Okay, thank you.